Have you completed your graduation but still don't know which career path to choose? Are you interested in export import, logistics, shipping, freight forwarding, or international trade? Then this video is only for you because today I am going to give you a complete roadmap to build your career in EXIM after graduation. I will explain which job you can start, what skills you need, which documents you should learn, how to grow from executive to a manager, and how you can move from operations to commercials and leadership roles. So watch this video till the end. Step 1. Understand the export-import industry. First, understand one important thing, that is EXIM is not just one job. It is a complete ecosystem. You can build your career in export operations, import operations, freight forwarding, shipping, custom clearance, logistics, documentation, international sales, procurement, supply chain, and trade compliances. For example, exporter need to coordinate with the buyer, prepare documents, arrange transportation, coordinate with the CHA or custom broker, work with the freight forwarder, and follow the shipment until delivery. So if you understand the complete EXIM process, your career opportunities become much bigger. Step 2. Choose your entry level career. Now the second step is choosing your entry point. If you are a fresher, don't wait for the perfect job title. Look for entry level opportunities such as EXIM executive, export documentation executive, import executive, logistic executive, freight forwarding executive, customer service executive, or shipping documentation executive. Your first job is mainly about learning the process. You should learn how international shipment actually moves, from buyer inquiry to quotation, purchase order, documentation, custom clearance, shipment, and final delivery. And remember, your first job is not the destination, it is your foundation. Step 3. Build the right EXIM skills. Now we will understand most important part, that is skills. If you want to grow faster in EXIM, don't depend only on your graduation degree. You need a practical knowledge. First, export documentation. Learn documents like commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading, airway bill, certificate of origin, shipping bill, bill of entry, and other relevant trade documents. Second, Incoterms. Understand terms like ex-works, FOB, CFR, CIF, FCA, and DDP. Don't just memorize these definitions. Understand who is responsible for cost, risk, and transportation at each stage. Third, international payment terms. Learn advance payment, letter of credit, documentary collection, and open account. Fourth, freight and logistics. Understand ocean freight, air freight, FCL, LCL, container types, freight charges, and shipment planning. And fifth one is basic Excel and commercial calculations. You should be comfortable with quotations, costings, freight comparison, landed cost, and pricing. This combination of documentation plus logistic plus commercial knowledge plus Excel can give you a strong foundation. Step 4. Get practical experience. The fourth step is extremely important. Get practical exposure. Many graduates make one common mistake. They learn only theory, but they don't understand how the actual shipment works. So whenever you join any organization, try to understand the complete transaction. Ask yourself, who is buyer? What is the product? What is the Incoterms? How is the payment being received? Which documents are required? Who is arranged freight? What happens at customs? What are the shipment costs? And when will the goods reach the buyer? This mindset will help you move from being just a task performer to become EXIM professionals who understand the business. Step 5. Specialize and grow. After gaining initial experience, you should decide your specialization. For example, if you enjoy documentation and compliance, explore export-import operations and trade compliance. If you enjoy logistics, explore freight forwarding and supply chain. If you enjoy numbers and commercial activities, move towards to export pricing, costing, and international business. If you enjoy communication and negotiation, explore international sales and business development. And this is where your career starts becoming more valuable. You can progress from executive, senior executive, team leader, assistant manager, manager, senior manager, And finally, head of EXIM or international business. But remember, designation should not be your only goal. Your goal should be continuous increase your knowledge, responsibility and business impact. Step 6, build your commercial mindset. Now, if you really want to accelerate your EXIM career, develop a commercial mindset. Don't just ask, how do I process this shipment? Start asking, how much does this shipment cost? What is our profit margin? Can we negotiate better freight? Which Incoterm is commercially better? What payment terms should we offer? What are the risks involved? This is the difference between someone who simply execute EXIM activities and someone who can manage international business. So let me give you the complete roadmap in one line. If you are a graduate and planning to enter the export-import industry, don't think that you need to know everything before getting your first job. Start with fundamentals, learn continuously, get practical exposure and gradually build yourself into a complete EXIM professional. If you found this roadmap useful, like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it with someone who is planning a career in export-import. And if you want more practical guidance on EXIM careers, skills, jobs and international trade, stay connected with me. I am Sachin Khadmal, your EXIM career coach. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.